Hello, this is a live. Right now I am in Eden by Revolver. So it is near Raleigh, and the look I have because I am very tired. Yesterday I reached to NGP. It's around 7 a.m. because it was the train was late. So basically I'm from Kolkata, and yesterday there was a funny incident happened with me. So let me show you from here. This is the window, and you can see how good it is, the rally by Eden. I came here in 2023, and then because from Kalimpong, whenever I did the Kalimpong tour before. So yesterday I am getting a few inbox about my paragliding. So I tagged Delo Himalayan Eagle Paragliding. I will obviously um, recommend this place. They are very nice, very professional, well trained, and it is. I feel I'm adventurous, and I was really feel very safe. I was interacting with them for 1.5 week about the weather. So they are very professional. They are telling me what is the weather and all. So yesterday when I was coming to the Delo for the paragliding, there was some incident is there. So right now this is the first time I am doing live during my travel. So this is my first time solo travel. Not the first time. Day before, in 2025, I was awarded for the Fortune Influencer. So that was a paid tour. Flight was there. I was staying in the hotel, and that was a solo. I went for the flight, and after that when we reached to the hotel in Ahmedabad, so there are 25 all over contestant who won that title. They came here, so it was not exactly solo. Definitely I traveled for the first time, but this year 2026 it is totally solo. I arranged everything, I booked everything. So yesterday, okay, I am pure Bengali. I'm not a local person, but I do look like Northeast. So that is my heredity. Even yesterday, Karma uncle, he is our driver for my for this tour. So uncle first thought, he saw my WhatsApp picture, and then he thought that I'm a local lady from some homestay. So he was asking for my phone number then to be confirmed. And then yesterday he told me, are তোমাকে না আমি ভেবেছিলাম লোকাল কোনো হোমস্টে লেডি, তো হয়তো সেখানে আছে, ওই জন্য যাকে আমি পিক আপ করতে আসবো তার নাম্বার চাইছিলাম. সো ইট ওয়াজ রিয়েলি ফান. I often face this. So yesterday that was a glance. It was actually 15-minute video. So once I will go back to Kolkata, I will upload the video in YouTube. It will be a longer video. You will get all the description definitely. I will give the review to this Himalayan Eagle Paragliding, and in the video I already tagged them, so you can directly talk to them. You don't need to talk to me and then have to wait for anything. And what else I can say, that it is see, safe or not, it is depend on your stamina, your mentality. I am like mentally prepared for everything. So I went there, and I did not have any negative thinking that are kya hoga, what will happen, everything will be fine or not. I was that is an inner feeling I got, that yes, everything will be good, the weather will be good. So I was checking, as I am into adventure sports. So, and obviously that is for me reasonable. It was 3,000 for the 15 minutes tandem means the instructor will be, or the pilot will be attached with you. So that is the tandem one, that is not the solo. So tandem is there. And what I saw, which is very good, I was talking to Eti bhai here. We saw that in paragliding we have to run. I mean, when we are attached with the harness, we have to run also with the instructor. But here it is very comfortable that I don't have to run. Just the parachute or the glider, big glider opened, I was attached with the harness and the trainer, and then the gush of wind, and I was seated in this is kind of chair, soft chair. So I just seated, I don't have to run, and I just flew. The takeoff was very smooth. Just for a second, the trainer actually ran, and then during the landing it was very smooth. When you will see my video, you can see that how smooth it is. The landing is very smooth. So I was confident, and the way the trainer told me, I was very I'm a very obedient student, kind of. And yes, I was carrying my mobile, so I can have the picture, because they will provide you GoPro. It was 3,000 for the 15 minutes flying, and 500 for the GoPro. So I obviously I will suggest go for the 3,500, because you will have the memorable moment, and they will transfer immediately, and there will be a certificate also. So that is also memorable. And whatever question you have through WhatsApp, you can ask them. They will give you, maybe within few minutes. They cannot give answer if the flying is going on. So but they will definitely answer you within that day. And yes, that is not a paid, this is not a paid promotion or a collaboration. I like this place, and I spoke to them, I was satisfied. So I am telling you the truth, that this is how it will happen. And I got the question that is it safe. See, even in a car also accident can happen, but safety is the main thing. So we can think about the safety. I feel very safe, that's why I did it, and I was not scared at all. No heartbeat fast, nothing. All the time I was laughing. And I will upload the unedited video. You will say कि I was talking to the trainer कि मैं ही खुद normal नहीं हूँ, मुझे तो डर ही नहीं लगा. So it was like a jhula. I enjoyed a lot. And what else? And how to reach. So you can have the driver, and you can directly reach there. Before reach, oh okay, another question I got, that we have to do the booking or prepaid. No, you don't have to do anything prepaid. Once the flying is over, then yes, you have to fill up the form, declaration form. So everything, like if anything is happen, so that will be our own responsibility. I mean, our means the participant. So, and you have to write down your full address, home address, contact number. So you have to write down, and email ID. And after that they will give you a token or paper, and you have to go through the takeoff point, that is kind of hiking. And don't carry any water bottle. They have water bottle, you can have water from them. Before fly, I will suggest you not to have any heavy food, because once you go up, maybe you can have nausea or vomiting. So it is not good if you vomit from sky. So that's why try to have light breakfast. Don't have full lunch and then go for fly. It will cause a problem for you only, not for others. So, and another thing, this is I did it on 7th of April 2026. So in Kalimpong it's not cold, it's really hot, but you carry a light jacket, because once you go up you will feel colder. So that's why you always carry a jacket, and helmet is there, so you don't need any topi or nothing. You don't need it. So these are the things I have. I got the question in inbox. You can if you have any question, you can comment. Definitely I can reply you back. no need to inbox it, because this is not a secret. This is all about your safety and queries. I can tell you that. And today I went for a Palla river hike. Too much adventurous. It was good, and I'm feeling very sleepy. So for the solo tour, maybe you can see fancy thing, everything is good, nothing will go wrong. And reels, okay, I don't do the reels. Why I don't do the reel and how I do the reel, I will explain everything. I am capturing the video, recording the video. Once I will go back to Kolkata, slowly I will upload that. So my YouTube channel is Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. You can go through that channel, and there will be playlist. Like this one will be Kalimpong Delo Tour 2026. So you can get all the videos over there. Not a fancy video, but you will get informative videos. So that's it. I think I covered everything about this paragliding thing. And right now I am very hungry. I have to have lunch, and then because after this hike I want to have a lunch, and then maybe I'll go to Raleigh river. So let's see. And here you can see the nature also. This is this time I'm staying upstairs. So there is you can see lots of bird. That is a black one, I don't know the name. Even yesterday I saw a peacock, but the peacock is very bad. The peacock doesn't want to be my model, just run away. Very bad. I don't like this peacock. So this is the place. I am here, and there, if you can see the white one, right now there is no water. In November there is water. That one is Raleigh river. So signing off live. Okay, signing off. You can see, okay, that is another bird. So you can if you come here, you can stay here and you can feel the nature also. Okay, one more thing, you cannot see Kanchenjunga from this place, so don't get the wrong idea that you will have a Kanchenjunga view. No, it's not like that. So here, if you want to stay, if you want to go for a Kalimpong tour, you can always come. So from here we did the Kalimpong tour. Yes, from Kalimpong, actually it is far from the Kalimpong city. From Delo it is 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, this Eden homestay. But other than that, I'm watching these two birds actually, so I'm distracted. So otherwise it's a very good stay, and you can find Eden in Airbnb, and it is not like other homestays that breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. No, it's not like that. It's B&B, bed and breakfast. I mean, concept is like B&B, a bed and breakfast, if you are booking through Airbnb. Otherwise, if you are going through their website, you will find breakfast and dinner included. Lunch you have to buy it, because you won't get any place to have lunch. It is very tasty. So you have to you can check my YouTube channel. In 2023 and 2025, means last year, I was in Eden. So that time even I give the review also. So you can check about Eden. And paragliding I already covered. So I'm signing off for my lunch.